What? You see, I'm sorry. It's really tragic. Joanne, of all people, now a cripple and confined in a wheelchair. Oh? You see, it's all right. Don't cry. It's cool. We have to thank God you did not get married to her before this thing happened.
Okay.
We have to thank our God, you know?
We have to thank God.
And consider yourself lucky.
Thank God, okay? My wife she's involved in an accident, and you tell me to thank God. Ken? Ken, what type of talk is this? Ken?
Easy. Your wife. You see, don't get me wrong. Don't you get me wrong. Don't. Hmm? I was just saying that, you know, we're lucky you didn't get married to her officially.
Officially?
Happened.
That's not official. Crippled. Or not crippled. I love Joanne. I will go ahead and marry Joanne.
You will what?
I love her.
You said you were what? You married that look, Mike, it is a wrong decision. It is a wrong decision you're about
Don't
to
try to sway me. Don't try to sway me.
It's alright.
Joanne!
It's alright, Mike, it's alright. It's alright, just get up.
Joanne! I love you, Joanne.
Oh.
I love you, Joanne. Oh, God.
Why?
God, why? Why?
You are creating sin here, man.
Joanne!
I'm sorry.
I love you, Joanne.
You love
Joanne?
You love her.
I love you, Joanne.
Sorry.
Joanne, all right.
Joanne.
I loved you. And the accident hasn't changed anything. I do love you.
Open your eyes, Mike. Open your eyes. Look at me. I'm a miserable cripple. I may not be able to give you all that you would want in a woman, in a wife.
Joanne.
If you have thoughts now, I will understand you.
Joanne. lover's journey. Love doesn't count on any futures. I love you and will always do, Joanne.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Of course, yes, I am, Joanne. I am, Joanne.
I'm going to love me and always love you.
I promise you this, Nikki. So, Chad. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
I love you too. You too.
jealous of us. Oh. Look, I promise you guys, by next year, you're going to see me in a different way. I promise you. Let me leave you laughing. In fact, I have a busy schedule tomorrow. Oh, babe, thanks for coming, okay? Do you mind joining me in the pool?
No, I'm here for the items.
Oh. You come in, okay?
Okay. Benny, where are the items?
Do you care for a drink?
No, I'm all right.
Oh, please.
I'm in a bit of hurry. Joanne is all alone at home. I have to go.
I'll be offended if you refuse to take my drink.
Okay. Anyway, thanks so much.
You're welcome. It's good to be in the water.
Sure.
You like my dress?
Sure, I do. It's nice. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm not ready to swim. Don't wet me, eh? Oh, please, I have to go. Where are the items?
Oh, Mike, can you believe it? I called you before I realized I've left them in my office.
Oh. Well, then in that case, I should be going. Come on, don't be naughty. Come on, get into the water and swim. I'll see you, Benny. Thanks for the drink.
Imagine him treating me like a piece of shit. I hope he can play this game. I just hope so. As if you knew I've missed you. I've been trying to call you, but you know the problem with our network. I have tried a couple of times too. So how are you? Very fine. And your husband? Hey, Mike has registered for a part-time at the university. He will soon take over. I see the company, yeah. That's good. Oh, you sit down. Come, manage yourself. Yeah. See? You know what? Mike is a nice man, Benny. He's a wonderful man. I thank God for giving him to me. John, but he's still a man. You have to be careful. Benny. Don't worry. I am totally convinced that Mike will not do anything to hurt me. You sound so confident. Well, I've been seeing him in some suspicious places. Places like hotels, bars, a lot. Are you sure, Benny? Of course I am. Why should I say such a thing if I'm not sure? I'm only telling you because you're my friend. All right, let me get you some drinks so that... Oh, I'll reserve that for later. I have to be going back to the office. My MD is traveling this evening. Oh, so soon. I'll see you tomorrow.
I'm alone here.
Oh, I'll see you tomorrow.
You.
You scared me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Darling, how are you?
Fine. You're welcome.
Thank you. Let me put my file down.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so tired.
I can see that. Were you in school today?
Sure. It's just that the basic engineering is a bit tough.
Oh, come on.
But it shall be well.
Yeah. Did you go to any other place before coming here?
No. Why?
Oh, no. I'm just asking.
That means you missed me, huh?
Yeah.
Joanne is my wife. Your friend is my wife.
Mike, forget her. Look, she's crippled. She can't give you